Today we are going to analyze Lakshmi Mills Company Limited quarterly result. So it has declared excellent result compared to year-on-year basis. On quarter-on-quarter basis, there is a slight decrease, which they have clearly identified. It's because of lockdown. The state government imposed total lockdown from 24th May 2021 to 6th June 2021 in view of sudden spurt of second wave of COVID-19. The operations of the company were suspended during the above lockdown period. Partial operations were allowed from 7th June 2021 and normal production commenced from 15th June 2021. So you can imagine if there is a loss of around 20 days production loss because of the lockdown. Otherwise the result would be much more improved compared to quarter on quarter as well. However, we need not worry because the recovery is happening and as COVID unlocking is happening, the demand for textile products are increasing. Similarly, the cotton prices and cotton yarn prices are high. It is a multi-year high. It has increased from last quarter. It is in the increasing trend because the demand and festivals season is coming up. So unless there is another third round of COVID, all this textiles, spinning mills sector will recover. So you will see comparison, year on year comparison. If you see income from operation increased 757%, total expense increased 353%, profit increased 211%, similarly EPS increased 212%. So this is very excellent result when we compare year on year basis. Similarly, if you compare quarter on quarter basis, income from operation is decreased 6%. See, there is a 20 days production loss. Even then there is a slight decrease in income from operation. Total expense increased 2%. Profit decreased 32%. This is understood because of the lockdown, 20 days lockdown, the profitability is reduced. Similarly, the EPS is reduced 32%. However, the reasons are we are aware, which they have already mentioned in their results. However, the good thing are, if you see their quarterly results, earlier they were continuously making losses. If you see here, they were majority of the quarters they were making losses. However, from December 2020 onwards, they are making profit. That in turns the EPS also increased. In December it is 63, in March it is 95, in June it is 64. So you can see here 64. Okay, so there is a turnaround happening, and it is expected that the cotton yarn companies will do well in at least next 2 to 3 quarters. So if we consider a EPS of around 60 also for next 4 quarter, you will reach 200 plus. So with the EPS of 200 plus, with the face value of rupees 100 and share capital of rupees 7, you can imagine it is going to make a new high. So results are good, prospectus are very good. Also they have an investment of around 4.87% in Lakshmi Machines Works Limited. and this company is making profit. Last quarter during lockdown it has made a loss. However, it will do a turnaround because it is majorly developing spinning mills machines. And in this month government is going to announce intensive for textile sector. So parliament sessions are over and it is expected to be announced this month. So more and more profitability textile companies will make because of the incentives. So overall we can see very good result, excellent result. It is making turnaround. It was making losses earlier, but it started making profit. So one can look into this share and do a detailed analysis and have them in their watch list. Thank you.